Okay, let's go again. So I've had a good game this morning, so the pressure's off. I've had at least one good game I can be happy about. In the previous game, the 2400 plus opponent. Alright, so can I play a G3 system? I think against this, a G3 is good enough for my level of theory, which isn't much in Sicilian. So against this line, which has set with lots of cheapos, I think this is okay. Not cheapos as such, just direct attacking, with H5 sometimes. So I'm hoping it'll be okay. So knight c6 or knight b3. I think knight b3 keep the tension a bit. Don't want him having a big centre and using that b file later. Right now the attack begins. Okay. Bishop d4 here. Is that possible? So I play knight c4, queen e2. Without b5, he's not threatening b4, so e4 is a bit safer than usual. No, queen e2, rook d1, f4, and then e5 later. Queen e2 would seem a good place for the queen. Protects e2, e4. Okay, I'm offering b2. Does that matter? I don't think it matters. Offer b2. Bishop's more active on d4 behind the king's side. I get time for. Alright, a4 is good undermining, I think. Right, now this is interesting. Knight d5 is possible. There's a pin on his king. I think knight d5. Get this pin. I think that'd be nice. The bishop also parks on c3. It's protecting b2. That's okay. King in the centre. He's been quite active with that king in the centre. Okay, that looks nice. Bishop's been extended in scope. AB, is that worth it to put the rook there, exchange off rooks? I'm not sure. Is there any point to that? I can't see any tactical points. I can see a tactical point for f4 maybe. Taking then. Or just f5 later. F4, bishop e7. F5, he can play bishop. He's got control of the dark squares. I don't know, unless f6 is going to be good. Give it a shot. So I suppose fe here and d6. Is fe and d6 any good? Bishop d6. I'm opening up the bishop on that diagonal. Alternative is just he's unpinned, by the way. Yeah. So bishop c3 for a moment, or doing anything else. Gives me an option of knight a5 as well. If I can take that guy, then fe would be great for d6. So I think the plan here is knight a5 is on that with that. Taking here first, and then if he castles h5 is also loose. If I do take, is he going to get that other rook in the game? He's got a loose piece on a8 to exploit, so I think I can exert more pressure though on the e file here. I can play this and then knight d4, rook a1, knight d4. Oh, it's decisions. Knight d4 to c6. What about that? That's another way to c6. Queen c5, maybe b4, or just king h1. I don't want to get too short on time. King h1 here. It seems pleasant enough, although b4, hang on. Oh, b4. Alright, I'll play knight c6 here. Because that knight is hanging. So, then a, b, okay, open up this, it looks logical. Although e takes is possible here. Whoops, I'm on a knight. Okay, so is fe possible to open up that f file? That could be handy for rook f7 later. I'm going to take. Right, so this is a beautiful pawn. The a file looks pretty good. I wouldn't say his king's that safe over there at the moment. Queen e4 is possible for queen f5. I think I'll go for that. Maybe rook a8. Is there some knockout blow already? There's bishop a5 here, just winning the queen. Alright, that's two good games this morning. Despite the temperature, it's like playing from an oven today, inside an oven. So I'm pleased to have two decent games. I don't know how hot it is in the States. Maybe it's affecting everyone. More blunders than usual. I can play a check here, and then rook b7 to safeguard the rook. I just want to safeguard the rook. In fact, rook a1 is dangerous. Okay, as queen d5 is dangerous, or then queen b5. Oh well, that was I think it was an okay game. Offering b2, sometimes it's easy to get the bishop not doing anything. On d4 it was a target to e5, but with the king in the centre, e5 is very welcome. Here, extending the scope of the bishop. Pieces all looking very good. I enjoyed that. Hope you did. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.